In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Elevenlabs text-to-speech audio. Whether you're a content creator looking to enhance your video projects or just someone interested in exploring the capabilities of text-to-speech technology, this guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes. To start, you'll want to log in to your Elevenlabs account. If you haven't already registered, you'll need to create an account, which is usually a straightforward process requiring just an email and password. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, the hub from which you can access all of Elevenlabs' features. Next, direct your attention to the Speech Synthesis, or Text-to-Speech tab located on the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this tab will bring you to a page designed specifically for generating and managing your audio projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available features, as this will help when you're creating and editing your audio files. Now, let's move on to inputting your text. This is the fun part where you decide what piece of text you want to convert into speech. Simply type or paste your chosen text into the provided text box. Make sure to double-check for any typos or errors, as what you input here will be exactly what gets produced in the audio file. Afterwards, it's time to select your preferred voice. Elevenlabs offers a variety of voices to choose from, each with unique characteristics. Spend some time listening to the different options available to find the voice that best suits your needs. Additionally, many voices come with customizable settings, allowing you to adjust the pitch, speed, and tone to match your desired outcome. These modifications can greatly affect the final product, so feel free to experiment until you find the perfect voice for your project. Once you're satisfied with your text and voice selection, go ahead and click on the Generate button. This action tells the system to synthesize your input into speech, a process that usually takes only a few seconds. You'll see a loading indicator, and in no time, your audio will be ready. Finally, when the audio generation is complete, you'll notice a download icon appear next to your newly created audio file. Click this icon and your text-to-speech audio will be downloaded directly to your device. Make sure to save it in a location where you can easily find it later. And that's all there is to it. With just these few simple steps, you've successfully downloaded your Elevenlabs text-to-speech audio. Now, feel free to incorporate it into your projects, share it with friends, or simply enjoy experimenting with the technology. Thanks for watching, and happy synthesizing!